on My Heart Archives.
We're here at Bukidnon. My gosh! Fabulous, Gabi! Oh my God!
At your attendance. Lord, kumita ako doon sa malaking company.
Na lahat ng artista, prime minister, diploma.
For our first question, name a famous entrepreneur in the Philippines. Go! Sana na.
Kain na kami. Iniwan mo ako, kumuha ka na kagad.
Nagpapabisi na lang ako para hindi ko siya masyadong maalala. Pero pag gabi na, pag tuwing gabi na, alala ko na.
Makain na ang ako.
Ganda yung overthinking. Kasi pag nag-overthink tayo, hindi na tayo makapag-function ng tama, di ba?
We have to take care of ourselves, take care of our mental health because mental health starts in you. Bye po!
Ito, di ba merong movie na Inside Out? Ito talaga, ito si Joy in person.
Kaya? Alright, sige.
Kai, pursue your passions. Keep showing up because that's how you sparkle
Para sa pang... This is us before final thesis defense.
Tingnan mo. Tumik naman. Pati sa one.
Yung ngiti niya parang ayoko, parang gusto kong gawin ano. Ayun, so congratulations. This is a really good study. So with that, we are accepting your paper. This is us after final thesis defense.